I come across articles all the time that I know I can use for reference later, like in writing a blog post or creating a checklist or anything like that. But I don't need it right now. So I'd like to save it where I can easily find it when I need it, and Evernote is a great place for me to save it. When I find an article that I want to save, like this one, I click on the Evernote Web Clipper extension. This is a Chrome extension. You just install it and have it available when you need it. So I click on this. Now, I usually keep it on simplified article because that basically removes extraneous stuff like ads and other things in your article. See how much neater this looks? And I insert the date right before the title, and I start with the year because that helps you to quickly see how current it is, because you can see them divided by the years first. Okay, and then I just click on the drop down menu to find a notebook that I want to put it in. Let's see. Let's put this one in money, since that's what we're talking about, spring cleaning your finances. Okay. And then for tags, I put in, finances, just a few keywords. And let's see, I usually put in where I got it, like real simple. Okay. Then all I do from this point on is just save the clip. And when it's finished, it says you can open it in Evernote Web. Click on that. And you can see your article. Now, see, it's much neater in here. Also, let me show you one with a picture. You can also clean up the article if you want to, say, print it and get some of the stuff out of it that will take up so much space. Like, let's see, I'm going to get rid of this photo, so I'm going to start here with the credits to the photo and go up and delete. And I just kept backspacing until I deleted that. And now I'm going to delete these things. Okay, we'll leave the date. And another thing that you can do is, if there are, here, this takes up a lot of room. 1 of 7 tips to break a bad habit. Well, really, if I want them numbered, I can do that. But if I take out these numbers, that brings the text a little closer together and saves space when printing. So you can edit the text of your article any way that you want to, remove pictures, take out stuff you don't need, and I don't need, was this page helpful? Okay, now I've taken it down a little bit, make it a little bit simpler. Let's say that I wanted to print this out. Would go to File and Print. And another thing, I could actually just print it from here and it would be fine. But if I wanted to save it as a PDF, if I click on More Settings here in the Print dialog box, then go down to Open PDF and Preview. And this way I can save it as a PDF somewhere. And I just go File and Export. I'm exporting it as a PDF. And I put in the name, however I want to do it, and wherever I want to save it. And just save it. But another thing you can do in PDF is, once you get it in the PDF, is that you can use the tools to edit some more. You can use Annotate. You can add text like this. If you wanted to write something additional. And let's see, if I double click on that, then you can see okay, yes, it makes a duplicate. Okay, here's the information about the font, the type of font, the size of it, bold, how you want it centered, what color font you want to use, and you can just add on something there. Or you can also use the highlighting tool and highlight parts of it. Let's see, I've got that on yellow. So let's say, okay, Tom Cruise bites his fingernails. Oh my gosh. Okay, and highlight it and then save it. But that's an easy way to save an article in Evernote, and it gives you a few more options of things to do with it as well. I'm Vicki Peel with Her Life Hacks. For more tips and hacks to save you time, energy, and or money in areas of home and all things home, lifestyle, and food, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.